So if you want to see your data usage on the Redmi Note 15 Pro, you can go into settings. Under settings, you want to go to more connectivity options, tap on that. And then this is where if you scroll, you will see the option data usage. You want to tap on that and then you can see your data usage. Now it's currently set to SIM1, which basically means this is mobile data usage. Now, if you want to see your Wi-Fi data usage, you tap here and then select Wi-Fi usage. And now you can see your Wi-Fi data usage. All right. So that's how you switch that. So you can see today Wi-Fi usage is that. Now for data usage, it shows you even which SIM card is currently displaying data usage. So that's it. You can see, you can also tap here and see data usage for today, yesterday, last month, this month. You can just choose the time range that you want. Now, if you want to see mobile data usage again, switch there and you can see the usage. Thanks for watching and good luck.